We're gonna record it.
Cuckooey.
Fuck. Oh, sorry. Pardon my language.
Should we run towards the danger or away?
You know, that's some spooky ass shit right there. Thank God it's daylight outside.
Since it's a bird, should we run up to the fireplace and smack on the fireplace?
I'm gonna go get the BB gun.
And scare it? Just bang on it. Da, 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 da. Ah! It's a woodpecker, you guys. In case you guys haven't figured it out. Pecking on the metal.
But it's scary.
It sounds creepy, yeah.
Okay.